Hey, Dana here. Well, I pulled out that locking assembly for the 2003 Ford Escape rear driver's side passenger door lock assembly, and I was able to clean it up and get it to rework. So I'm putting it back in. So this is a reverse synopsis. I had to take out the plastic window guide assembly, and that's held in by two number 8 bolts, and it just slides back in there and rebolted back in. Taking the assembly back again, you've got the cannon plug right here, and then it just locks down, and then you have a red locking device. Now when you come to the doing the cable, it's kind of reverse. You're going to kind of push that sucker back in its hole.
And then it'll lock and then go across the top. And I'll slide it in there. And it'll push in. Maybe. Oh, jeez.
As you can see, it'll slide in and it'll lock. I take the whole assembly and we stick it back in there. And then it'll bolt right up to the ends, and you're using torque tips on this end. And then